Cooking mad easy, yo. DW corner. Sundays, every day of the week. Tell your friends, tell your dad, tell your mom, tell the street. DW corner.
DWcorner.com.
Well, hello friends, family, and neighbors. Welcome to DW's Corner, Cooking Made Easy. I'm coming to you today with a quick, simple hamburger recipe. This is very quick, simple, and easy to do. I've got 1 pound of ground hamburger, butter, onion powder, salt, salt, pepper, and 1 medium onion, which, all right, honey mustard dressing, and deluxe white American cheese. This is going to be quick and easy and simple. I call it my DW's greasy spoon buttery hamburger. I'll be back with you in a moment. DW out.
Cooking mad easy, yo. DW corner. Sundays, every day of the week. Tell your friends, tell your dad, tell your mom, tell the street. DW corner.
DWcorner.com.